Ah, what a nice, rainy, dreary day just to stand out back behind the nutrition store for no apparent reason. Wait, what the hell?
Boy, you son of a bitch. Leave me stranded? I'm back for that boy. Boy, I told you.
Hey, George! What, you didn't even give me fair warning, man. Man, that ain't fair, man. I'm just out here trying to enjoy nature and you just rushed me out of nowhere.
What? Fair, my boy, you done dropped me off, ain't give me no ride, and that pre-workout still kicking. I'm here to trim that beard, son.
Oh, you still already feeling Helios? Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. You placebo old having You ain't felt nothing. You just wait for that new ETR to come out.
Hey, what? A new flavor? Hey, man, hey, we ain't got, your beard looks great, man. What's this new flavor of the ETR we talking about? Y'all ain't let me in on this, man. I'm sorry.
You only been dropping hints every day, George. I mean, come on now. You want to be nice to me now? You want to be sweet?
Mm-hmm.
You want that new flavor?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy will get you that new flavor. Now, George, you got to understand. We worked very hard for this flavor. We traveled far and wide until we reached the peaks of Mount Fleximus Maximus. And there, we meditated until our spirit animals reached us.
I like Flexus Maximus. I want to be big. I want to pump. I need energy.
When I toss this magic powder up, George, you're gonna feel what we felt that magical day.
Oh my God, what the Wow! Helios! I have the power!
No, you ain't half bad, George.
You ain't too bad
See,
yourself.
it's good stuff, ain't it?
Hell yeah, you my boy.